We are here to celebrate the beauty of Beckleyfield School. Indeed, it is an honor for me to be part of this school, officially open.
And now unveiling it. Let's start.
It's important when we talk about performance of grade 12. You can't talk about performance of grade 12 outside foundation.